Hello you lovely lot, it's Chris Hudson from Hudson Lighting, and today I am machining a 230 volt wall light in 316 stainless steel. Now admittedly I'd already done the drill cycle, sorry, I forgot that I was going to record this video. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the weight of it. This is by far the heaviest, it's the heaviest block I have done. In fact, it's saying OD. Hang on, let's just get. I've got an old set of scales that I think goes up to 5 kilos. So let's just whack these scales on and see what this block weighs, just to give you an idea. Right, okay. Here we go. 848 grams apparently. I thought this scales goes to. Oh, maybe it only goes to 500 grams. Anyway, so 848 grams. So not far. I mean, by the time this fitting is built and finished, it'll weigh more than a kilo. Now I know a kilo doesn't sound like a lot, but go get a kilo weight and tell me that isn't heavy for what is meant to be a small wall light. Well, actually it won't weigh that. No, I lie. Oh dear, I didn't think about this. Sorry, no, because we're going to hog so much out of this. This is probably gonna 848 grams. Probably going to get down to about 300 grams, 300-400 grams, I reckon. Anyway, what we'll do, let's get you inside the lathe. Make sure you're not flickering. Yeah? I'll put you back there, and we'll get this loaded up. Now that bit's done, we've got a problem. We've got a length problem because I need to tap the front of this, and as you can see, the length of the material is too long, so it's going to basically smack against there. I don't know how best to tackle this. There's a couple of ways. I mean, I could tap by hand is one option. But it's one option I don't really want to have to do. So I'll have a little think on that one. I know that the tap can't be made shorter, and we certainly can't go back that way, but it may be that perhaps after we've turned, we can turn, once we turn the inside of this, we can flip the jaws around the other way, grip on the inside, and we might be able to make the part shorter and grip further in that way. I think that might be the best bet. So yeah, we'll get that. We'll leave that bit of it to last. So let's grab the. Just get you up here. There we go. Let's grab this out. Right. Still a great whack of material. This. Okay, this bit scares me the most because we're using a 16mm U-drill, drilling into this. There's going to be a lot of forces, and we're only holding on 3 positions on just about 5mm of material on each position. So it's risky. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's all right, because this material is, I think it was about. I think off the top of my head it was like £27 or maybe even £35 for this one block. So we really need to make sure we get it right. Just to get to this point where we got the inside hogged out took 34 minutes. So we've just done the radial drill. The camera battery died, so I've just stayed on charge. But yeah, so we've just done just the radial drill just now, and now we're going to switch over to the the OD turn cycle. As we're forced to do the tapping with the jaws turned around in a second, what we're going to do is normally what we do is we hand sand these. I'd like to just have it finished on the machine. So what we do is when we turn the jaws round, I'll add in an OD turn and do the whole length, and then hopefully we can get rid of this line. Right, so here's what I'm doing. I've just wedged a couple of washers under all the jaws. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now torque it out, get it nice and tight, and then I'll take the washers out, and hopefully that gives me just enough clearance just to nip all the way up to the edge. That's the plan anyway. Whether it works, who knows. Hopefully. Right guys, there she is. It is heavy, really heavy. It must be, now with the top on etc, around about a kilo. So it's quite a weight, quite a substantial fitting. This is going up on Kieran's porch, so the head position can be fixed in place, and yeah, this is just obviously just a sleeve to give us a more substantial head. But it is a 230 volt fitting, so there's a driver in the back, and we've just got to do a little bit more testing, and then we're going to get this out, and we just need to clean it up. But yeah, we're about there.